apai live ewo Sompa 106.5 FM eno eyankran Shannon Sopa Watermelon Street no so ona kase na ebubu fire na wote yanka ewo 93.1 eno ne headquarters no ehwada braka santemamu ededem live sabra krona udu France abrochimamu paria yenya na ho ene adamfo pa radio ebia na utie yen 101.1 wonyira ayekura Sompa takwa na ewo atoyema ntemu ena 103.3 eno watakura de sabra krona woma wo bunu nyina efa bi ewalaji be kwa na abro sanum eho ye night market wo tete afam akopie mo ni udoma no na na pokupie esie fa asenche wo mabobo ano pe wone ekwenya akwa abro no ma obu mpamo sabre wo mudi nnamu ama santon etimu wabie mu ama sunwane say ye chira station ho ana dada station ho wo munyina ate na live na twemu akwa akopiem ewa hafo abusuya eyebono 90.7 eno ya nkransa bono na po yefam papa tostuma biebie di atum ende onya duru ho a obia se Sompa no a sa na tachima nso ayo 106.1 eno nso ye Sompa ededem live ewo ba bia decoder no so ba bia FM stations no wo no abusuya ye gina mu dindindindin te se abana ye de pim nkuntunu no ye no nso ye gina ye na so te se papo ne nan na wo de bo break no abusuya www.sompaonline.com ensem ne nyina yuru atabo atan akekere de akwa akoto sa na Sompa FM live eno ye YouTube abruchirefo no ena wo modern nam ana Sompa 106.5 FM Accra Facebook no no animu nwoma odia anwumre de wo onkanto so eni biribiada utimi di pia yen na yabekenkan so de ama Kene Urban Radio ye live ho ana fe doma 100.7 mani masase paso ye wo ho sabre kro na Sompa 101.3 wona wo maka bo mayenta ya wo moto de apete anwumre ensam no edoso papa na wotwene nyina de ka ho na mom fresh ya enkanso ye de brew no ebi ne se abusia o join ya wo Facebook no so sesi a ana ba hu na kwanhia kase de asi wo bunso Johnson Linda do emfafra mu ho no a na video no chenkuri
sana arewo sama no hum ne so ewo ya santema ntem so ame magazine ho no mo enam so ma me abre wa poso wato nanan mo onse edu akakase hu a ye di mu nsem ebesom mo
afe ye bewura mu ahafo ano afa ho baby ona bo abaka asade ko didi isi no waya ade bia ma persons with disability na abaso ba ye bono ye de ba okase mu
na fe na watwi mu nso ye nyabere ne ahwe ensam wa de bedi wonto ne nyina free na no dwoda from Amina to Zinabu A to Z ni awo ne nyina so mako eno na da ya na meka bi ho a wote ase o we de se nya asem foforo bi ho nso ate a sasa ebi ho nso a wote ase we nyina si Ghana ha nyanwanwa mema mufo de ombetimi aye ni nyina ya Ghana nkomo ya de brawo na ena anwumre se Facebook no so ana YouTube no so ena anamo a mami agbo ene na asafo kantanka be ma boada wo madawro ma no maka bom sa wadefo ede ye atototo so kama ma wi ase nyina ehunu yembie nanso yenom a apesemaka yeje bre ne akenkan se no de ama wo no eyemme odoma nkoma chiame obrempon na kwaku ampoma mene
nana opon checheku ena afei
triple man ajapia apamdada alaji abobare
afi yansha yenkomo no ase emfa mawo na abusia join our Facebook no so Sompa 106.5 FM Accra Sompa 106.5 FM Accra na behwa de ma metaw na mu made a me fro se behwa ma me no bia na wa se maame agbo ya mu shada mpe moja na mu hunu moja sa no a mesra wo de obetimi atawa nkona na watie ni amebe ka kire wo no oya drobani a uti siti achi ya o kai no a mesra wada fa wo de fa mobile phone to ho na hwe so na drove ka no kama so obi ti won chan de a fa ma woni pa no na wo no hwe na wo ma okase kama pa nemom What the why to say upon Chicheku, yeah, some cook, Cocranas and Frewa. Utim command the near idea. Ube to me a baby. Now on Swaba Behene, come on. Sompa 106.5 FM Accra. Behadi. We no Sompa, your camera no, yeah, near the Tata, Crawford down here, Henry, across the street in Tibia. Boys by Singustin and streets, Nation as on my free streets, Neso Qua. A Mwada Bocono, and been a capture, I have a Bunso Junction. Sir, Kai, oh, I was some pow. What free, no quanso, and what Dimrican, what Hibikiti, yeah. And I, tricycle, what the quan no man, no, I'm no Casabia. One more question, oh, can't so the cafe pow. And I have a way, why Yamatrana so cry. Now, I send me on Ankaya, see, and Sabaka Jadine. Awa homane so na wa sheda boye musan se wono na camera ne kitanwa wode ko hwe asem ne poten e wo bunso junction se bi afa na wo hwe waba mesrew join ye wo Facebook ne so Sompa 106.5 FM Accra e bi kra na wo de wa hwe Sompa no se si live 93.1 Facebook ne so wa na no so betimi ahwe bi wo ho na bibia atumi aye fine abusia nyanika akwanhia na amanfo nhede hu se car no na wo do because wo free ne kwan so and wo konnwoma bobo ya droba no chese so a wo munyina de kogu kwan nchen ya akwaya asem kase pa na ya pusu ejada ahoma no ejina mo tuntum bia bebutu so aja apamada roma na opon chicheku wo mugu so pa mo no na bibia tumi aye fine se nya no a yere ne baba ahoma no so na wa shada aboye mu sani akwanhia no de nani ko hu ye aso casualty wom ana casualty bia ambam ne ye wom bia no ye de ho nkyire mu e de bebre wo
abusuan yedu eye epuemantam enkokọ kwantempon no so ananse bunsu junction de na yento aso yenkopie mu e wo ye asantemantam en arawo sem en nahimachi e ma no homne so no kresem ni enya anika kura na asantemantam ejwadi bia ko a etimi generative funds pa de ma santimantem kropon no swame na ababa tojo kire se eja brantam bi enahimachi eboa na ebra na bo eye donko no ena timamufo bi ti se nwusie eviti adankura no mu bie epie ena nwusie de afrihinie omuhwe se o anya bia sabi obi na onom ne ntampe nwusie na so ntampe nwusie no entisa na na ebobo ba no afon be hwani se jedi ekire na fe emu ababa ye din enti amombo piniye no mu se soame no biaye a ye ka ho asem no eye magazine zone 18 honom no ho na anaje yi man hom ne so na eno ananam so ma me panimu mua mami wanyi pa na so hwehwemu abeto dwa kire se mami enam se na mfie na kwa anim nti ebre gya ne yesa no kura ne nyame anim nie wentimi ankeka no ho empia bonten ma sabi ejayi ehye mami ma oto ananan mo nsedo asem na homete enu nkamfua ejapade a aboma asai ewe yeso ame magazine won de abusua eche nkreyin na emu nsem ne bi a ye ejedum adwumakuo no ede ba betu dwa no abusua ye bekọ ne akwakote nanso ekire no yentie womu a omu hu kan ye omu praye omu japade omu sika twetwe die esanso ehwe womu no sani omu kire mu eche Sompa kase
anadwo no yo hono mo frɛ yɛbae agyapade a ahye no mpo na ɛnyɛ no ho asɛm na yɛka yɛ nana na wabɛto no magazine a wafilm ho asɛm na ɛka ara ho nso nyankopɔn fa ne kra nto yie na agyapade no nso afei na ɛba bɛhwɛ de cost hɔ ma me na wabɛka asɛm a ɛsi yɛ na nyame agye ne kra no yɛhwɛ ɛfiri ne kɔpem ɔkyena no sɛ ɛbɛyɛ a ɛbɛhu information no deɛ de cost of fire no ɛbae the most important thing a yɛhia wɔ magazine ha yɛ fire tender no sɛ yɛanyɛ bi wɔ magazine ha sɛ deɛ ɛbɛha adwen pɔpɔpɔ nti mpanyimfoɔ a ɔmɔ mmɔden na ɔhu kwan bɛfa so sɛ region nyinaa nya fire ɔyɛ tender kura zone 18 de chairman no ɔbɛko ama lights off and on no hard nti obia ekofi a ɔmɔmɔde sɛ ɔbɛhwɛ sɛ ne light no wadundum bibia watchman ho maninya west
battery doctor ɛni hɔ a ɛbɛka sɛ wɔ charge battery na ɛblo yie obi ɔmi cars na esi hɔ no ahye ɛnya agyapadeɛ asɛm na ɛka nipa ahye ɛwɔ gyan mu nka agyapadeɛ ne deɛ sɛ ɛbɛtema aba back but nipa ne yɛyɛ ne dan last week ɛna meka kyerɛ mo sɛ yɛ hia fire tender and 3 days ne ɛde asi yɛ ne
Abusua pra Facebook page ne so na bra na ba bɛhwɛ why ye asɛm na areho papa na bra Facebook page ne so udu hɔ no ma no abɔ Sompa 106.5 ana sɛ wo de YouTube na onam abɔ hɔ na TikTok ɛne mfoni no bɛhɛ bi wɔ hɔ Denise wo de ato hɔ no mo ama make say abusua Denise adwuma wo bɔ hɔ de abusua kyɛ kuro yi na yɛnkɔ na fe yɛnkɔ tie nsɛm a efiri ejadum adwumakuo no de ababeto montenso e de afa eye sebe eja brantami awrawo boni edie ye brana bra behwe engine bi na da ho saa no na Ghana National Fire Service de ababeto dwa kyeremu se eye nokre we nye prufu ne yete ya Sompa ya bon da wura kyeremu yin saa pepepe ana etie na enura no munya ne tie kyere se ejei ema no hom ne so na hemachiya inti ahemachin na omubo mu epono na omukokopie mu wono nukrenie na japade de ahwere ama ekọ animu pa eja dwuma ko no ade atodo akyeremu se Bremen Fire Service station na wono womu ana kyese omutimi nya eye entem no ko ne ntem na kyese no omukokopie mu ho ebra na bo eye no miensa ekobo no nan inti kyese eja no na ahyepa akọ akyire ema omukura ya omadwene se eye fire service konfo anoche fire station honom no omo ne Bremen omnyina ka omo bo mu ekokoso ejei ano ema sabe ejei omo kokodu honom no ne ahye na ahyepa na ne tofa bo a Ghana National Fire Service de ababeto dwa akire mu se omo ani de akire ye pa adeko depot a enam so a ejei etimi hye ye ene enam so ama maame panimu mu a wato na nan mo onse do no omo de mu nsem ne nkyeremu nyina de ba beto dwa se anya bia battery ne bi ana keka no ho bo homa ne mu bie mu ene koye olelek ana se bi mpokra obi na etoto ne menken ewe akire wonom na awie opa Manchester ede koto ba bi na se bi Manchester na ntimi ankwa kodum ana no nso ekoso petrol mu emeye olelek ese mpotem niema wonom de a ne nyina no omo de ba beto edwa ti abusua wei ene arawo sema esi ene ahemachi ewe ya Asante Mantem
abusua wonom ahwere wo mo de hye no nka franse den papa na twedi ampon wonfa okra kono nso ensie yie yeda so agyina mamre na Ebenezer usu ansa de wodi firi ahafo ano South West baby onabo Abaka Sadik wodi abankra che no ede ba ne se common fund no persons with disability wo mo chefa ewom onabo amfa nto account ma na anwo ansa common fund ne ba na wayi di won ma de edi won nyina no wo de ama wo na nsam a wo boro so kire Ebenezer usu ansa de ntia se sika ba ya wan twen kura manana ne na ja wo manya hu nsu anom na wo de ama wo nom no yinti mra
whether as the ma John Dramani Mama Ghana man or Sabi via or your man for Sabi or Madi Dampo because over here this summer around no and I'm saying a common fan no eba 10 billion ama no mo here biano etimi eye e de mom we 3% no amount eko ama Sabi mpinfo no e de ahwe mo no e was so masa de asida e de ama Mustafa omo social welfare since last year me ba office no kre o ma ya dwumagin pa o ma ya dwumagin because maybe you can ho hwe ni pa ya bo mo a o me be 86 from last year to this year we come out 86 na ya bo mo obi ama mo fridges obi ya mo miska omuduka akoye adwuma last year ma abubu ya this year basama abubu ya bi you did say by next month e ko bi aso omo nya bi omo ma ba mu because last year be he omo na munya ya no last year omo anya bi but this year ene man ba ya no musa ya dey omo musa nya bi so we are for no Southwest now the same na ye che nema na unsanya nkan bia we show nkan se kwan bia so
ebedru so Honorable Abaka Sadik wono ne Ebenezer usu ansa eka asa ansemi wa hafa no South West ho persons with disability nipa besa do no nwotwe a wo munye so mfa so no na na wo boso yi enti abobo ya no na hu so wo matudi kro no na onua se wo nso na disable bi di sha won sa setwima no a hwe na wo antwe ani na ewie no yero poko akowua wono na ye social welfare director e wa hafa no South West ho wono so amane de ankam
mwa odebua inu no mwa bibinti omwa atochima enti se abawo sa eniswadi hu se aban discover untimi ngahye odekwa adekofo enti se omo so twom ba mo manyema ejidi se betimi abo ma be ma omo sa enso etimi akoma no enye omo nko obi ho no ma na ohia ebia sika akra eri akwaya sabia eno so yehwe na obi won so a na bia opebi eri akusku ana ne ho ma aka betoya ebe supporting school no ono so yehwe nti se hu ade ko ya na basically no sa mwa yenya ye de ebo mo no nti am hu se bibisa ekoso no
yero poko akowua wono na ye pani kwankyerefo a woda social welfare no ahafo no South West ewie won ma enya so mfa so no nso womo na ase womo amana nkam
ya abansi anemu a wa disi ne aboafo ne na pamfo nyina do mase odwumadi kese a na momo so kama yen sa kan sanse abani bako ebi so ba yen san dwumi nka bi enti se no aye Yankopon adom na humobro no nam aban so na yesa ka de me ka ne se o mayade ame onhira wo pa ye ni nso age ni age na de me ka ne se de koye adwuma se de ese ne fata he aban se na modi si ka se osere se bibi egia ebi de kusifie ebi aton kwa ne ade wanda obesere se na kuma so ade pa obaye no se adwuma die o hye mu kena ma ye yire ho de ye adwuma odi bi be kan ho
eno ye wo mo enye so mfa so no na ate se wo mbobo so kane ananka wo mo de sika ne hye wo nsam no wo mo de hye wo mo nsam a ofa ebi mfa kira na wakwakọ kari na ntwi achacha de aye nkwan ya de bewie ne sika na sa no wo san te kwa ho pe bibi asre eno na aba no ye nhyehyɛ se wo mpene ma ne mmasa afa no South West so wo mo common fund wo mo hye na ye wo ha mo nche mo 3% no honorable Abubakar Sadiq wo yi wo mo de e de amai abusua time de ye kase no so emidimafo heba center ene de ato so ye to aso
na watwi mu nsɛm wa de bra wo ni nyina no so yanya bre ni abobɔ ni nyina chi kama moso de ama wo na watwi mu yɛsase de afri na odwoda no Ghana man pane His Excellency John Dramani Mahama wade nsɛm betu gya na ɛwɔ Ghana ha na trend pa sɛ wo kan ya wo kam akyerɛ sɛ wo a wo yɛ dan wura landlord ne landlady fo no na mo wo ba mo so papa ba ne ba mo so na mo odi kama mo 1 2 1 3 sɛ mo nim na sa atwamerebo rent advance na ya mo jeje na hwɛ sɛ nankwa the latest groom in town na ponchecheku na behuna sɛ adan a fiera sɛ wagene 2 years advance 3 years advance adentia we hu abetima sɛ next week in 2 weeks pe wo ba wade fiera sɛ na waware awie dia me do 2 years I mean how mampani kasa no wadwa na wade warning we na ma wom say.
And so the houses will be indexed in cedis, and we know that because of the low inflation rate, it means that the cost of the house is not going to continue to rise unduly. This is a Ghanaian solution we have derived that is designed for our Ghanaian reality. One area that has long been overlooked is also the rental housing market. Although the law limits rent advances to 6 months, weak enforcement has allowed unfair practices to persist. The current rent law says that no house owner can take more than 6 months rent advance. And we have a rent court that is supposed to prosecute cases where house owners take more than 6 months. But unfortunately, both the house owner and the one who wants to rent the property are not prepared to go and report. And that has been the main problem in enforcing this law. The one who wants to rent the house wants a place to lay his head. The house owner too wants to collect money to invest in something. So none of them is prepared to report the other for paying more than 6 months rent advance.
Wey mampani Mahama unnim na umob de die mob na je 6 months 1 day kura 6 months 1 hour kura beda so a obedem na no ena penny pa ya ono na that state house company limited and you John Bauer what do man penny anim no wache say we dey man penny wa bai dey na wa catch us tell sanka bai anka big push no push ya fanya kwankwa fa kakra push dan.
Will deliver 214 units of 2 and 3 bedroom detached homes, and we expect to be done by the end of Q4 2027. And I hope, Mr. President, you will do us the honor of commissioning our phase 1 once it's completed. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to be clear about what this project is and what it is not. It is not simply a promise. It is not a concept. It is not a rendering on a presentation slide that will gather dust in a boardroom. The Green City, the Diswa, is a plan that is ready to become reality. Over 1,000 housing units, not as a headline figure, but as a target, with a financing framework, a construction timeline, and a partnership structure behind it. Even with the gains in the economy, construction costs are still not coming down fast enough. In order that we keep the prices of the properties in this development as affordable as possible, I ask humbly, Your Excellency, that you consider making a small donation.
You're making a small donation. Now they are buying, now big push, a push here from roads to the housing unit deficit that is left. Where are you, Yohani Bauer, and Wakasa, and I know Jordan, and we didn't say me too.
Na Edo Jordan anu. His Excellency Kwame John Dramani Mahama. Wo eye foundation be a friend of Mahama ke. Na enum na openi kwanche for wo dwumako ya no. Yera Ajua Obu Obia Dakon Opoku. Wodi ababetu dwache mu se. Eye Mahama Care Foundation ni no kura ni nyame anum nie. Eye trust fund bia aba begina. Na amanfo ahwo mu de kenkan ne ebubu kenkan yensase a. Beye opepepepe beye aduasa ensia 36 million Ghana cedis. Ena tete etimi ewuramu.
On the training of medical specialists, the trust fund has entered into strategic partnerships with the Ghana College of Physicians and Surgeons to expand specialist training centers and decentralize postgraduate medical education nationwide. We have also established similar collaborations with the Ghana College of Nurses and Midwives and the Ghana College of Pharmacists to train 100 specialist pharmacists and 100 nurse specialists in oncology, nephrology, cardiology, endocrinology, and neurology. The Ghana Medical Trust Fund has made a strategic investment of 36,234,475 Ghana cedis into the specialist training program as part of efforts to strengthen Ghana's specialist healthcare workforce.
Area chain or sans to be peace which say e was a kunini a etai eye Ghana Medical Trust Fund no yeshe ni yeshe mukina.
And then there's something that we keep getting. Many people want funding to go to India, to go to abroad to get treatments. Let me announce here and now, we do not support any funding out of the borders of this country. So if you see many people tagging us on Facebook and all other networks and asking us to support a patient who wants to take a trip to India to get further treatment, please count the Ghana Medical Trust Fund out, because that money that we spend on one patient to go to India for a treatment, we can use that for about 20 patients in country.
We a Ghana Medical Trust Fund openia wada announcer administrator. Ora ire Ajua Obu Obia Dakon Opoku ena yetse nka da no dwada no.
Na edadwa da krona ena posi sadoma wo mayimu. Tinene otua wo ma no. Yewra tete Yohani Christian. Wakana ho se enedu we FBI led intelligence training. Na sa training yi emfaso e de bebre posi sadom no ya Ghana ma wono boy en ho ban e ka ho no. Yewra tete Yohani IGP wan fancy.
As we are all aware, crime is becoming increasingly sophisticated and require in-depth knowledge, fast skills, and strategic operational planning. This is the reason why officers have been assembled here for this important program. It is for this reason that under my leadership, the Ghana Police Service has placed strong emphasis on intelligence-led as the backbone of our operation. Intelligence-led policing is not mere a concept, it is a philosophy, that prioritize information, analysis, practical decision making, and finance. It allows us to move from reacting to incidents, participating in preventing. This training program, therefore, is not just another capacity building, it's a strategic investment in the future of policing. The focus areas apply, including intelligence collection and handling human resource development.
And no, the course, and Amosoma FBI 4D any modern church, no, every woman, yen do. Adeno na honorable na no point cheku ene gina ho asanse minyina woto bai na wie ye na esie kura no the IGP wodi jae ni
on the training of medical specialists. The trust fund on the training
obwa enya no yewura tata yehonu IGP bra asam no si ya omko ye wie ya wo bobbo so a kire de ekoso ya na no pon eto bai no no na making
intelligence-driven police services ongoing. In this regard, we respectfully seek to deepen this partnership. We look forward to expanded opportunities for advanced training, technical assistance, technology. We express our strong interest in having more officers from the Ghana Police undergo specialist training at the FBI Academy. Exposure in the world-class training environment and expertise available there will undoubtedly have a transformative.
Yura Christian Tata Yohonu IGP Edemo my Ghana ena edadu enchirechira FBI 4D anim no wo mo bade ama Ghana Post Sadom no honkomo woni na no ponchicheku edi
afe yengra mo ewo edabnada nsem oban na edoso pa na mu kase ba ko a na no so kan kase pa ne ho ebie aye Yera Gavans, Kwame Agboja, Road Minister, Bra, Wokopie mu awa enchi elubo kwan no. Kwan ya hede ma big push the under Ghana Highway Authority. Na Engineering International Limited. Woman na Top Engineering International Limited. Mu international da mudin so. Na mu twi kwan nya sane na no papa ya mde kwa se. Mo de me kwa mo ntimi nya mo ntimi nya. Eno na wa mo twi kwan no. In fact, kwan no kranya hibiampo 71.25 kilometers per wa mo baye no link western north ho no de wurawura mu kakakra no na wa mo twene nya enti kwame agboja du ho no na wadwa enti oboja.
This project Enchi Elubo Junction project as said 71.25 kilometers. Those of you following us have seen the condition of that road. You stop and spoke to women who tell you the ordeal they go through. Some I cannot repeat here. Some actually leading to death. And that is the reason the president prioritized this road as big push. This contractor has been on this road for ages and it's not new. Doesn't need to mobilize. He's always been here. The little drainage structures you saw, he did them long time ago. But even patching the gullies on the road, he would not do it.
We Yera Gavans, Kwame Agboja, Kwame Agboja no. Enti wakwa no wadwa se kwan no mfuturo ekum krofo tira mampane de se big push yempia ne kase pa no na ade emu ye kase na ye san pushie na ode be shemu na aduru ana asa bo nya ade a ye push ne ntantem kase na wo bo nya na wadwa pa bra wo boja no
na dano brada nso ankane director na wada Ghana School of Law no Yera kwaku ansan sare na wo kasa yi wode atodo akyerem sa afie yi entrance exams ube transfer no remre juma anase school pon ni mu no afie de ebeba so.
I'm also submitting that because as a lawyer, my understanding, the expression of the one is the assumption that the council should be set up as soon as possible, because it's the council that's going to be the regulatory body to receive the accreditation and verify and accredit. So once the assent was given to them, I'm sure the AG himself we were there together to have the assent, to witness the assent given. So I'm sure he will put steps in place, measures in place to ensure that the council is immediately constituted, so that they can, and then the Director General will be appointed under the law. A registrar is also required to be appointed and their deputy, so that the council can function properly to receive accreditation application from the faculties or the law schools vet them and accredit them. Because the timeline is that by September, the law should be fully implemented.
Mo ebusuya enini nya obani eye bema ni eye ukopie mo mamra shebedafia majority chief whip Roxin Nafin da pia mapo ena ebusuya yete nkane na mami asare kasaye na mami asare kasaye mu no ena ono enso edi tudwa ekire mu se yo ye ransan sare ono so kasaye na yente ni nsema odi tudwa no ebi.
I'm also submitting that, because as a lawyer, my understanding, the expression of the one is the exclusion of the other. So if he has expressed a view that under, the legal education reform bill that has been signed into law, entrance exam has been abolished. The monopoly of the law school, has been taken away, and all that. He has not said anything untoward as far as it will affect the General Legal Council holding an entrance exam into the Ghana school. And no budgetary allocation has been made. Must we as a nation wait till Parliament discusses the appropriation bill in March or April next year? No, that would be a wrong move.
Inti abusuye ni wenu ni nyina no esi dano ebnada no ni etwa ato ayete yewura ansa asare ena yete nene no
abusuya ebnada na nya de aye bobna na Ghana Medical Association Professor N.S. York edabnada no sa na no ankwanhia bi esi ye hit and run driver ko bo cha samisa promoted of engineer na ewie ye wo mode ne kwa ya asabia wo mudi enu a mukọ ba bia na yaka no bed a ewie oti na nanam wonse do a emu hwehwe mu ba ye na Professor N.S. York o kasa ewo sa asem no ho na wo chese wo ta wo machi pa sefun na sade ya prof wo kan no ya yete nyom no ne de efiri de woto ya no.
You see, usually, I've been part of these processes in the past, and what happens usually is that you don't even mention names. You say certain individuals have been found potentially culpable, and therefore been referred for further investigation by the relevant. So what you risk doing, if the approach that we did, was that you tag the people. So next time when they may be found not guilty, and even if they do and they've served their sanctions in the camp, patients may be reluctant to go seeing them. Maybe they would have cured or purged themselves of the wrongdoing. Fair enough. We as an association have elected to support them. I'm not saying nobody is guilty, but we have enlisted support of psychologists, or psychiatrists to support them through the process. We are giving them the legal support.
Enti eba psychology de betimi de aba wo madwunu mu a wo mo a wa ben wo apomode mu sa no wo mota wo machi se de be na emfa wo mo nkonkoto fena bia mu na ewie he no wo se we ya ekokosi ye na ye de hye wo mo ana wo duty nom na ade no system failure enti se wo mo bi fix ya face the system.
I have always used the opportunity to reiterate the fact that if we don't approach it holistically and just focus on the individuals, 10 years time, I'll be on retirement and these issues will rear its ugly head again. So our initial posture was that the findings were unexpected, but it appears the focus were on the individual, and which we think.
We have another and Professor N.S. York, one also at the Betuja.
Time about Mr. Kan Hubio. And I hear some one na time ukrana no na no ukwada na amanfo osese asana na so mummy ahwese mra shebedwam wonu mu a esie nyina na mo mo ha wo hwe na asante achem nof mra shebedwane no ni Ghana afei ya kwatokwate ya se ya chiri wo de hegi ewo Schiphol Airport Amsterdam Netherlands dachi hono a na wanche no ba ye no se okwa no ya kwanta kro no komra shebedwam wore no go dom kase no eno nti dom kase no wa motre ne ayo no nyamfo Nelson Roxon eche da fia makpo wono ana ye ba wade ato nsafra no ahoma so ene ye buza nse ye la Nelson da fia makpo on detail travel and as travel details night sign pa na onya abotre eche da kwanto ru say eche some pakase.
The honorable member was not traveling to the US on Delta Airlines on Friday. That is most inaccurate. He was on a private visit to the United Kingdom. He has a family, his children and wife live in the UK. They are in London. So as the chief whip, I can confirm that he does frequent there. But on this occasion, he was on another private visit to the the UK. And he was flying on a KLM flight. So naturally, the transit will be through Schiphol in Amsterdam. So it was in Amsterdam that he was stopped, questioned briefly, and detained. And this happened Sunday morning because they left Accra on a KLM flight Saturday evening. Normally the KLM flights, they leave here Saturday. They leave here in the evening. So on Saturday he was on the KLM flight that transited and got to Schiphol around 5 in the morning. So through the transit processes, I think by 6:37.
6:37 no ho ehwa na wanche no wono angasa mukura no na won se da ni made kode kura ma che no Schiphol airport ho Amsterdam Netherlands anu nti kura no no mo ne de Hague fo no ho no a mo si Ghana na mu no apel lawyer kura ho a wo twaje no enu ne ebusa na bo se si ai okay frimpon ne wo ye.
So we have interacted with him. He himself doesn't know. But the snippets of information we got from the security operatives who detained him was that there is a warrant that has been issued by the United States of America for his arrest. And so we've tried to get details of the basis for the issuance of the warrant. We still haven't received anything formal from the security operatives. There is a prosecutor in the matter based in The Hague. So as a step, we have also decided to get a lawyer to represent him. So there's a Ghanaian who is a Dutch-trained lawyer based in The Hague. So he's the one we have detailed in consultation with the Ghana's ambassador to The Hague to handle the matter. And so that is where we are for now. Yes, he's well. He's not been maltreated. He's fine. He's just in detention, but nothing untoward has happened for him.
We are majority chief whip. Onimnya for Nelson, Roxon, Eche, Dafiamapo, and Yatin in Kano.
Na abusuya wo eye asante achim no for ma shebedwani a meka se woni Ghana yi a yensa ka no abrochire kwame ohene frempon ho nsem yi ena enam so ama eye Amanda Clinton wono so de nano ababetum bie akasa e de afa asem no ho ada no brand wuku ada no wo chire mu nsu sei.
It will be interesting to see how this develops because, again, it absolutely sends a signal to this government and to any government that will take place that international law enforcement perhaps did not trust the Ghanaian government enough to share information that they should have. Had they trusted them, we would have seen something like an extradition. But when you have somebody called a politically exposed person or someone in government, international law enforcement will say, well, if I share this with national security, if I share this with Yoko, if I share this with different departments, will that information be compromised? Will it spoil our investigation? And will it mean the person is put on notice so they don't get on a flight? And so what it indicates to me is that he wasn't put on notice, and the fact that they didn't work in collaboration with government in order to naturally expose this. So Ghana, because what I'm trying to say is the fact that they let him get on a flight, having gathered all that information, instead of sharing it with the Ghanaian government, for the Ghanaian government to know whether they agreed, whether they were going to extradite him, etc.
Abusuya nsem wenyina siye dano ukuada no
na sa ukuada no a na de asie wa abrochira magana fo edi ho nkomo sa uduru Netherlands ho na me wofa kwa kudo nyina wo no enti nkomo ise ubusa no betumi abom firase akwa akosi soro e de akyerewo na sa bre no a na abanku ntabufo nso kire se wo hwe economy no sa de enya sika firim ye di bi ka ye botom enom na ho ade abanku ntabufo sesen ye no obeka se emu bai ebiebie 7.7% ho munchemu no enso akire ponson ena se ye huri kona ne nkyere mu ode baaye no na elective massefo ne de atiase pa na commercefo no na fe de bi no twetwe mo calculator na de ye ntie
February 2026, the MEC index increased to 111.3, up from 103.3 recorded in February 2025. This means that Ghana's economy grew by 7.7% compared to the same period last year. This is a strong improvement from the 3.9% growth recorded in February 2025. What this tells us is that economic activity strengthened considerably in February 2026, reflecting improved business activity, stronger production levels, and growing confidence across key sectors.
ye wa na ye te se MPP fo wo mo supporters ni bia pokoja mu ya wo mo ne na won kramonte so ne se monte se ya brother dey ana won ne na ho so ye ko president quarters ana ya se president quarters dey ye ma mo kwa ma mo nkonti na na bo nche ku na no ya traffic conductor ana wo ye mo baako no odom ko Accra Regional Police Command na won ko ya Henry na bo achina na bi no waka ho afa former Utu Senior East MP as say kura wo pray women's organizer national day no ma me ha wa kumsin wono nie Justin Kodia from Pon wono ka ho en wo mu di anim no ma gangalies en wo mu ko say ya ne nyina ne say na no wo hene ya wo betwe camera si nanim ma wo di DMPP for flag leadership position wo mu na epre bra champion in fact bravo you so so nya sankwas ke ka to so sa ne wo kana mpaboa ho wo hene kra ne ha te kra say wo ma to no ekurenti ne wa suom achima suom na na bo adi amponim obuadade ya otoso miensa ono kra ese o matuni ana brantie bi o TikTok ono so se asem ye na hi ono so gina TikTok no so bi bo na adwen ma wo hene de se wadwa eno ame ache no eno na bi mu ko ho no am de nsem se etudwa
ya chi de ko no mo bia ya ba ne abeheni eti nwasa aye go bia ya de bisi
kinya dia ye ba ne ya ba be ye focus ni na be ko se ye nkwachiwe ni enchiwe achichichie de MPP call it off ye ma be mu embe ye sade ye ba be mu ani ye ba aba be ye de aba be riski ni Ghana fo ni aban a
wei aye MPP wono mo achita hafo ni bia wo mo kana na bi Justin Kodia from Paul JFK ene ababa ha okumsen ho bra wo mu dwa lai se wo hine didi bra champion atem ba umia papa ikra wo engineer kwamna je Japan ama doctor obinfo mu a oso wo mu nyina sankwas na on de Canada Japan kraka ho who bondog wo mu nyina wadi o matem na de ya twen wo ko TikTok so kakra bia wa pa lai ene wo mu nyina ko kire o madwen wo ho
na yawada ne yaw ne yafo da no ena Deputy General Secretary Dima NDC amanyoko no Yera Mustafa Bandi ana wakase dia to do mu se wo hia nhwehwemu pa kwase edifa eye wo mu aye nsu se fam agudie wo mu de omo adwumu bie na ne titire wo mu sanso ya amanyofo na emu nsem odi to dwada no yawada ne bini.
It's my hope that investigation comes up. I have maintained the view that he didn't do anything wrong. Yamin is not a miner. If Yamin wants to mine, or if I want to mine, I would walk to the Minister of Lands, who is our brother and our minister, and he will give us a document to go and mine. What would you go and do in totality of it? Whatever investigation it is, it must end. So, every investigation must end at a certain point so that people know their fate, right?
Abusia Yera Mustafa Bandi ena yete se wodi nsem yi ede to dwada no yawada no
na eba ne se aye atwi sen fa Pepsodent cavity fighter toothpaste no fa no twi anwumre enne ede atwi nti a yetimi baba yenom sa no maaba woda prebuo mu a yesom som papa no yawada na mu ne yegina na no nso ne yebegina dan ye ho sa yawada no mu na yewra kwabna minta aka no so afọ hwe apomuden so dwa aboso mra se bedwani wo bo anan no wokọ Medina Polyclinic sabre kro na kazo amada child hospital ehon so wokọ ho nanso wokọ no wankra won amọ amane ese bia ona bo me ba besra monti munsiesie machi o wo mu hu ya no wapie fotre te se obi ba behwe no ho yade enti se de na aduane hye na numbra wotepono ho sabre na ehim de wo miamia ne phone so sabre no wo miamia na de yentie nkomo a yewra kwabra minta aka no bra wo ko ho no a na wode na no bo nchecheku edi na chipe so opon ma ohun se me na meba no de o kan yeni.
Two other reasons are be biased, so the person finding out. Their director say every health worker who go adwuma mu so we student we dey you also we share we name tag on the behavior say ebinum share omo dey kama ebinum so nche they encourage you omo. You know, will be I was buying for a very long time. Now, person feel one. It's a kit and go back and but I think it's not negotiable. You know, Matthias said. I did back on so say, I say every health facility be and I was seeing young CCTV. A quiet And saying, I mean, most of the issues, so CCTV cameras, it's make up. The movie, of course, the buyer who say cameras no around. Unfortunately, maybe screen you want to come to say a year man saying year man.
And Kokuna na Brimtia honorable Cabinet Canada no. Na point you could not deasha ho yawa danwa. Na wie no was answer womobo ekrese akadia hodo e wo was a boa map mu dem patimi todwa na ni ho bia no womodeba.
The solution no. About no beginning able to catch their hearts and being a said they also buying the more medical doctors behind the more midwives behind and when we are the sense of medical equipment and when we are to say and it was a very nice conversation. So the medical equipment I'm listening about the next 48 hours they will get it and we
Emfoni a wo hwei ne na utie no wona no so afa ohwe apomoden so na mom okọ badwafie ho a wogina de se wo dwabo so anamu na Pepsodent cavity fighter e kan yen ho anwumrei wono na age ababa makase ne yetimi abe mouse ano ne ebiebie yesenso ma hu se de ase ne yetachere maso nyina ate no na ye kan sa no time da yen so midimafo ya ba center ya Dr. Time da so eda no wo de time ato yen so ene e kan ho na nso fa ya de kwama no eno eye wonu ma e won kran no poku ase mayira eho ena midimafo heba center wowo afe o asantimamu a ene na akọ abu akọ agogo eho na obegogo yade ama ho atowo na mom time na ode ato yenso no eye ti amuyi time heba Mr. Obapa time no Dr. Tafiri Janayo etimi malaria tise biribi no na wonu mato ntimi nidi ana honam ye oya upensi nyina ye oya se do bi kan wo no e time heba Mr. ene beboa wo 0244417669 wo madam anti ye na ye hotia wamra ye ba bewie e wo da fiada
Dr. Tamu Dasunio Buno region fwe Ataji wasi enemate denne Midima for Herbal Center Dr. Tamu Daso wadi mi mobile clinic no Abesi Buno region Momantemu hope Yedem Yadiye biye ni wa ehinta Dr. Tamu Daso Yadiye biye ni wa Dr. Tamu Dasunti minti Jisen ye wo anadye yesiye no Ghana fwe Dr. Tamu Daso babe piye Buno region Munsha ninsuo yese bebiyum Yami aduma 25th May ye was Sunyani Technical University Auditorium eye Juada ena Dormanso Ebenada 26th May it was St. Francis Church any big days ena di hwanimu ena Brekumunso Trinity Presby Church eye 27th May 2026 Entibuno region modia no Dr. Tamu Daso yare bia wadi ni mfidie ni nyina eba obeye lab ni etwa wo scan ni afa ye de time ato yare no so momfa ne ye wabubuo wona wani efra ukotodwe sisi yare pressure HIV yare bia fabra na Dr. Tamu Daso edru region die na eye aryare sanko a enti Fremidima for Herbal Center enwo 0244774282 ana 0500727215
TV Emma Aketiapa
no kwasem Emma Aketiapa ye bu nsem ni nyina kof ni aburukom se pein sane abaka beka no no e de ama e wada fiada na no afie no awonsa ya wada na nsem wesi ya na MPP fo wo mo dwa lai ya ha komisen mo ane JFK ni na bi mu nyina storm wo ai Accra Police Command ya na wo mo kwa koyi wo mu nipa ya wo kaka na adwenkyira wo hene ewo TikTok no so no eno na Professor Kwabla Abochi tenase e wa forgotten country so no wato nsa e de frɛ third national vice chairman edema MPP amnyoko no Alhaji Masoud Osman dodo na fa nchama bugabuga na wobobo ni bugabuga ene se ye nya butrempo a anko wasese kwase nyina
We say during our time, good time say, yes, because I believe it's freedom of speech. Of this one, Bishop Kufuor said, Kufuor will be a one big gun scar. What kind of idea? Of this one, Bishop Kufuor said, Kufuor will be a one big gun scar. Why not to give John Mama, even that, no catch us, one big gun scar. This is the government that believes in democracy, not this government that believes in autocracy. Ask Dr. Baumeka, the elephant never forgets. When the NDC they should do their work, telling you we are going to do the same thing against them times 100. We will do that. They are not going to vote here. They are MP54. They have governed this country for 8 years. They will find they have governed this country. Obia will have the attack who did Akufo-Addo. Obia will have the attack who did Bawumia. Nothing has happened like that. No any arrangement to comfort her. Here they are. They didn't tell you about power. There is many reforms here that change. Now they are also a best to the democracy of Ghana. Citizens will be allowed to speak freely.
What democracy of Ghana no? As a Bobby no by Yibinum free Masan and Sententai. And the Chibinum now will be at me the man Penia Kufuor atom. And the Alaji Mahmoud Bebe Baumia, Dr. Brian Champion, no Marcanina, what you win at them now. One of Bacope, what Timia Canipa Bears and so what you could do. I am woman in Azwami as Anquas. Will be Canadian Cacratch and dear. Now Muchini Pacro. Chairman Bugabuga, and no Yenny Bugabugazan.
Na edefia da na ye kofini afia fo da no ena engineer Ken Ashigwe wono so kasaye na wono krompo de wo ye pani a woda eye Ghana Chamber of Mines ano ena wodi tudwa kire mu se efama gudi a ye tueyi ehu behia ho nsakraye na enu nso mu nkiremu a wodi tudwa da no fiada no ebini.
So there's a balance that we need to do. But the only reason is the point you make. Social licenses. So they can't let you be sitting there and then everything that happens, you go and pay the 5.1 billion and it goes to GRA, goes to the consolidated fund. But the second point you make is about whether we say our local people do not. So would you say a country like Australia, who's also been mining, who has major firms, do not have the capacity, is the reason why they will have an African firm, an African country, have 4 mines that are wholly owned. So Goldfields has mines there, Barrick has mines there. Other people. The thing about it is that we need to get Ghanaians to get to the heights of our mine. But they have to coexist with others as well. Because see, definitely you're going to have the big. So the big players will come. Some of the technologies they will originate from the big players. So when they come into your, they attract all of that in there. And so it is about a combination of both. But again, we are asking. So there's a lease that is there that the law says that when the lease expires, if they have not abrogated anything, the minister shall.
Danu fiadai ena ensemu efi yera Ken Ashigbe honoma ode ebabeto pon so a yebo bi edemamu.
Ene fieda no a yete nsem ni nyina ati. De sesei wayi nenim se NPP enkramantan no wobeje chama akonwa na tena so Dr. Bernard Okoboy. Na waka asem bi de aye afutu ema wosono mba na asabre wo ho a yese executive ba na yese asesa bon na yese we na ye ntia se ye mpene so hwe wonema hwegu a ana nka hu ni sese se wosono mo se mo nsua bibia ya mo nsua kini ye mabunu no na de tie.
In the next cycle, 2020, their seats increased. But guess what? They want to change Ade and brought Ashimo. Why? They wanted someone who had gone for elections, who had energy, who could help them get to Jubilee House. And that's why they had a change. And I've been encouraging my people in the region also that look, this time we need energy. So far, it's myself and another contestant or aspirant. And I mean, I'm the youthful candidate. And that's not to say the elderly are without, benefits. But whether you like it or not, let's learn at least for once from the NDC. When they became very hungry for power, they unleashed the Sami Jefis, the Sam Judges, who could go to 4 or 5 constituencies a day. Sami Jefi could do 5 press conferences a day. They required energy. And what? Most of their old guards, Alabi and the rest, they were working, but they...
Yera Bernard Okoboy, afutu na no ade masonofo no. Sa munni bibia ya abusua ene ya na wadamo wahwechini yema no asua won
ya de wasi na we aye kasia no a midimafo aba center eba wade abo ye chidom eba ye ema bibia ya fine na time eba mehia so ebo aye no na ne kase pa no Pepsodent cavity fighter no abo aye abo ye chidom bra ye trans ye Sompa 106.5 so nkran hai Sompa 93.1 eno ya sentiment mu kuma si adam for pa radio France and group pari num Sompa 101.1 ɛwɔ takwa 103.3 wɔ takra de 106.1 and so nko na no wata chima 98.9 ɛwɔ sunyane 90.7 ɛwɔ nkranza and afei 103.3 ɛno ɛnso so egum kama pa na 101.3 ɛnso ɛwɔ doma wana mani masase pa so 100.7 wana so je kasie yi kanesi ban radio ɛno ɛwɔ kaneshi ɛna afei oduru emfifi mantamu a kingdom 106.1 ɛnso je kasie bo ne nyina apeten ye yɛhyiri nyina bɛdɛ ɛde kogu www.sompaonline.com so ɛma nsɛm no dodo na no obetimi akenkan bi kama ɛwɔ hɔ na mmom uhu ya wɔ Facebook ne so a ɔbaba maame agbo a de ne sika ho no sɛ ɔde hyɛ adaka mu de krɔ atum de amasafo anasafo nso akita ne kama ɛwɔ n'akyi na bibia yɛ fine wo mo na de yɛ kɔ Facebook ne so ya no mate yɛn ka ɛwɔ kaseɛ mu no ɛyɛ me ɔdoma nkoma kyia me ɔbrempɔn nana kwaku ampoma mene
nana ɔpɔn checheku ɛna afei
triple A mine ɛgya pia apam dada